Hey guys, it's today's products review, and today we're going to check out rankandrent.club. Basically, rankandrent.club is a resource that teaches you how to rank some online properties and rent them out to local businesses so they can get leads and more customers or whatever for their business. Now, the thing I like about Rank and Rent and that you're going to love is that Rank and Rent to get started is absolutely free. And I've been here checking everything out, so I could show you guys what's on the inside, what's going on, and what you're actually going to see when you do start get going with them, and ranking your businesses for your local area or whatever area you want to rank for. So when you log in, the first tab you're going to see here is start here, find, build, rank, and rent. But basically what this is going to show you to find the right keywords, how to build your site, how to rank them, how to rent them out, and how to scale them. And then, there's a bunch of other Google Map, and PBN and all that good stuff. But I'm just giving you an overview of what's in here. The next thing we have here is the live journeys, which is the forum, so you can connect with other people and see exactly what they're doing, what's working, what's not working. And now this tab right here, I'm going to click it just so you can see, is the resource tab. Now on this tab, you're going to find a lot of valuable, and I repeat, valuable training that's going to help you to get going super fast. It's going to help you to get going as soon as possible and have you start getting results. But the only thing about this area, the replays only last for a while if you're a free member. So if you want to get going and want to get started, I suggest when you do get started, you come in here first and check out all the replays from the webinars so you can see what's going on. All right, and then we have the resources tab. This guy is a rock star. He gives you a bunch of bonus for signing up for free, which is his 2015 rank and rent guide. And just like he said, I don't know if you saw his videos, but this guy's been doing this for a while. So if the site's ranking from 2015, he obviously knows what he's talking about. Okay, right here we have 4 rank and rent case studies that you could check out so you could actually see the process and see what's going on and see how to do it and see how to get yourself going in this. Down here, you got the documents, ranking, the niche selection checklist. It gives you a lot of value. I'm serious. If you've never done this before, if you're a complete newbie, if you're like, oh man, I just want to try something or get started or learn something, this will be a good place to start. You got softwares in here, project, but we're going to talk about the software and stuff in the other video. I just wanted to give you a look in the background, project supremacy, keyword supremacy, Surfer SEO, Chrome extensions, shows you how to set up your hosting, where to get your websites. It's content. There's a ton load of stuff here, backlinks, all that, PBNs. There's everything basically in here to get you started and get you going. So I just wanted to show you what it is that you get when you come and you start with rankandrent.club for free. You get a lot of value. This is the video here. He's explaining to you about the rank and rent and why it's real important and why it's a good deal for you to get started on that if you're looking to make some money. So if you look below, you'll see a link below this video. There'll be a link down there. So, you can get this for free as an added bonus, for getting started. I am going to give you a free webinar that's going to show you exactly how you can have your stuff ranked on Google and Facebook in 24 hours. Yes, I said it, in 24 hours. So that's an added bonus along with all the cool stuff he got back here. If you click the link below and get started for free with him as a bonus for being a subscriber, for checking this out, checking my video out, I am going to give you that webinar for free. So this is it for now for this video. In the next couple of videos, we're going to walk through all these different modules and kind of give you a little more insight as to what's going on back there. But just click the link below and you can go ahead and get started and see it for yourself. I'll see you in the next video.